Hello everyone, welcome in the module projection of lines. In this video, I am going to show you how to draw the projection of line when the line is inclined to both horizontal plane and vertical plane. The problem definition is line CD 100 mm long has its front view inclined at an angle of 45 degree to reference line. The end C is in VP and 25 mm above HP. The length of front view is 60 mm. Draw projection of line. Determine true inclinations of line with HP and VP. So first we will note down the given data. A line CD 100 mm long. So true length of the line is given, that is 100 mm. So TL is given 100 mm. A line CD 100 mm long has its front view inclined at an angle of 45 degree to reference line. So here the front view inclined at an angle of 45 degree is given. It means alpha angle is given. Alpha equals to 45 degree. The end C is in VP and 25 mm above HP. So here point C is in vertical plane. So in VP and 25 mm above HP. So C point is located in VP and 25 mm above HP. In VP means there is no any distance from vertical plane to the point C. So 0 mm distance from vertical plane to point C. So here while plotting point C, the point C is in VP. So it means that point should be located on XY line. The point C is 25 mm above HP is given. So above HP dimension always visible in the vertical plane means front view. So upward arrow is shown here. Now we will start the drawing. First we require XY axis. Then we will locate the point C in front view and top view. For that, mark a point on the XY line. Through that point, draw a projection line which is perpendicular to the XY line. On that line, we will mark the point C. So first, point C in VP. So that dimension is always visible in the top view, but the point C is located in vertical plane, so this point C should be located on the XY axis. Give the nomenclature as small c as the point is located in top view. The second dimension is given 25 mm above HP, so it is visible in the front view, so we have to draw above XY line. So above XY line the vertical plane is present, and in the vertical plane the front view is drawn. Below XY line horizontal plane is present, and in the horizontal plane top view is drawn. Now above XY line on the projection line we have to plot the C dash point, which is at distance 25 mm from the XY. Give nomenclature C dash. Now next, the true length of line is given, that is 100 mm. The front view is making angle of 45 degree with the reference axis is given, and the length of front view is 60 mm is given in the example. So the front view is elevation length of the line. So the elevation length which is equals to the front view is given, that is 60 mm. So front view dimension is known, angle made by front view is known. So first we will plot the front view as per the given dimension. So from point C dash, draw a line which is making 45 degree angle with the reference axis. On this line we have to mark the front view. So the dimension for the front view is 60 mm. So from C dash, measure 60 mm dimension on the line which is at an angle of 45 degree. So the end point will give you D dash. Join this C dash to D dash with the dark continuous line. This C dash to D dash is front view of the line which is equal to elevation length. The angle made by this front view with the reference axis is denoted by alpha. This was the given data. Now next given data is true length of the line. Now for marking the true length of the line, first we will draw the locus of the known points. So known points are C, C dash and D dash. So first we will draw the locus of that points. For that, draw a line parallel to the XY line which passes through these points. No need to draw a line passes through this C point as C is already on the XY axis. Give the nomenclature to these projection lines as a locus of that particular point. Take 100 mm dimension in your compass which is equal to the true length. Keep your compass on the C dash and mark the point on the locus of D dash. Give the nomenclature to that point as D1 dash. This C dash to D dash is true length of the line, and the angle made by true length of the line in the front view with the XY axis is denoted by theta. Now we will plot the top view. So for drawing the top view, first we will draw a projection line which starts from D1 dash, and that projection line should be perpendicular to the XY. Draw that projection line till it meets with the locus of point C. Then take the dimension C dash to D dash in your compass and draw an arc which starts from D dash till it meets with the locus of C dash. Give the nomenclature to that point as a D2 dash. The projection line which starts from D dash and meets the locus of point C, give the nomenclature to that point as a D1. Now draw a projection line which starts from D2 which is perpendicular to the XY like this. Then we know the true length of the line is 100 mm which is given. Take the 100 mm dimension in your compass. Keep your compass at point C and mark the point on the projection line which passes through D2 dash. Give the nomenclature to that point as a D2. After marking point D2, join C D2. This CD2 is true length of the line, and angle made by CD2 with the XY is phi. Now draw a line parallel to this XY line through D2. Should be the projection line. Give the name to that line as a locus of point D. Now for getting the top view of the line CD1, we already plotted. This CD1 dimension is plan length of the line. So now this plan length we have to use to get the top view. Now take the distance C to D1 in your compass. Keep your compass at point C and rotate this D1 till it meets with the locus of D. Give the nomenclature to that point as small d. Join this C to D. This C to D is plan length of the line, which is equal to the top view of the line. We can check our drawing by drawing the end projector which passes through D dash and D. This end projector should be perpendicular to the XY. Now we have to write down the answers and need to show the dimensions. So dimension of locus of C from XY axis need to show 25 mm. This completes our problem.